This is a Tafsir Kabir, which is the commentary on the Quran written by Bashiruddeen Mahmood, the second caliph, volume number 14. When you go and download the PDF from their own website, volume number 14, page number is 83, and he is doing the tafsira Surah Zilzal. Okay, now look at this one. There was a specific person. Apparently, he was making a claim of, some mulham or some prophet, whatever. His name was Abdullah, because I don't know the detail of the person, but that's what the context is telling us. Abdullah Temapuri, some guy Abdullah Temapuri. He said, Abdullah Temapuri कहने लगे तो फिर मेरे मुतल्लिक आप क्या निशान चाहते हैं? This guy who was making some claim about himself as a Ma'mur, this Abdullah Temapuri said to Bashiruddin Mahmood that, okay, if you want me to establish my, Ma'murship, okay, what sign you want? मैंने कहा, Bashiruddin Mahmood said, मैंने कहा बुराहीन अहमदिया नामुकम्मल रह गई है और शायद अल्लाह ताला ने इसलिए इसको नामुकम्मल रहने दिया कि कोई आने वाला इसको मुकम्मल करे. Bashir, there was a guy, apparently Abdullah Temapuri. He is making a claim that he is also something like Mirza Qadiani, and this guy Abdullah says to the second caliph that what sign you want me to show which can prove to you that I am what I'm claiming to be. Bashiruddin Mahmood said that, you know what, Barahin-e-Ahmadiyya remained incomplete. And then he said, perhaps God wanted it to be incomplete. Why? कि कोई आने वाला इसको मुकम्मल करे. That a coming one in the future can complete this one. अब आप इस बात के मुद्दई हैं कि अल्लाह ताला ने आपको मामूर बनाया है, आप इसको मुकम्मल कर दें. He said, O Abdullah Temapuri, if you are claiming to be appointed by God, why don't you complete Barahin-e-Ahmadiyya? तो मैं आपके दावा में सारी तस्लीम कर लूंगा. He said, O Abdullah, if you complete this book, Barahin-e-Ahmadiyya, then I will accept that you are from God. और समझ लूंगा कि आपकी सदाकत के लिए ये निशान काफी है. And I will be convinced that this sign is enough for you to establish yourself as a prophet. इस पर वो अच्छा कह के चले गए, मगर आज तक एक सतर भी बुराहीन-ए-अहमदिया की तकमील के लिए नहीं लिख सके. He said, after that, Abdullah Temapuri left, but he never wrote even a single line to complete Barahin-e-Ahmadiyya. Allahu Akbar. What else, O common Ahmadis, you want me to present as a proof? This is the testimony of second Caliph of Ahmadiyya Jamaat, the promised reformer, Bashiruddin Mahmood. He is acknowledging, he is confessing that Barahin-e-Ahmadiyya remained incomplete. And a new claimant of prophethood, Abdullah Temapuri, he is being challenged that if you are truly from God, complete Barahin-e-Ahmadiyya.